Imagine having a garden that thrives all year round, with healthy plants that produce abundant fruits and vegetables. Now, imagine achieving this with the help of a simple app that monitors and controls your garden environment. Sounds good to be true? Think again, because that's exactly what iGarden does.
As a garden enthusiast, you know that plants need the right conditions to grow and produce healthy vegetables and fruits. But without the correct knowledge, it is hard to diagnose plant issues and when to take action. iGarden serves as a tool to help gardeners, especially beginners who aren't experienced, to optimize the environment for their plants while providing expert guidance on plant care. This is important to us and the community because it can lead to healthier plants, higher yields, and also reduce frustration and cost for gardeners. It also contributes to sustainable agriculture practices by promoting the responsible use of resources and reducing wastes.
Conserving water is important to the environment because water is a finite resource that is essential for life. According to the United Nations, 2.2 billion people across the world lack access to safe drinking water. And by 2025, half of the population across the globe could be living in water-stressed areas. Water waste exacerbates this problem by depleting water resources and contributing to water scarcity and pollution. However, small actions can be taken by each one of us to stop this crisis. iGarden helps with this by providing information on how much water plants need and when they need it. By monitoring the garden's environment and only providing water when the plant requires it, iGarden helps users avoid overwatering their plants and prevent excess water waste. This solution contributes to Goal 2 and 12 of UN's SC goals, which is zero hunger and responsible consumption and production. iGarden also supports Goal 13, climate action, by helping users reduce the environmental impact through responsible plant care practices. Specifically, our app uses smart sensors to measure the garden's environment, and it provides recommendations on how to optimize it. Our software analyzes the soil moisture, light intensity, and the temperature and humidity of the air to give you real-time insights into what's happening in your garden. Based on this, the software will provide you with personalized recommendations on what actions to take to improve your plant's health. The app includes a section called General Tips, which contains detailed information on solving common gardening issues. This technology offers an efficient and user-friendly experience for everyone, especially beginner gardeners. The app also consists of a unique automated irrigation system, which waters the user's garden based on the soil moisture level. This way, gardeners don't need to stress if they ever forget to water a garden.
Even though there are other gardening apps and tools available, iGarden is unique in its ability to provide environment sensory, allowing users to analyze the factors affecting their garden with graphical analysis. To further enhance user experience, iGarden uses eco-friendly materials and design, reducing energy consumption to minimize negative impact. To maximize positive impact, the software will promote healthy plant care practices with a sustainable watering system.
In order to make the customer experience Begonia's priority, prior to and during the software and hardware development process, we obtained user feedback through surveys, focus groups, and beta testing of the app.
The user feedback was generally positive, with 71% of users appreciating iGarden's ability to monitor and control the garden watering. 29% of users also found the app's ability to provide personalized recommendations to be highly useful. However, the least satisfactory part of the product was the obscureness of the software and its instructions, and many users hoped that we could add solar panels to the product. Based on the user feedback, we made improvements to the app's user interface and added more features to the real-time monitoring. In the future, we hope to add solar panels to a new version of our product and new parameters. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, our garden app is a perfect tool to help you grow healthy plants,
increase yields,
and take the stress out of plant care.